Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chill English. I am Lara.
And I am Leo.
Today we will learn real sentences for daily life.
Not grammar, not rules, just as you actually need.
Easy sentences, you can use them today.
Let's start.
Hi, I don't think we've met. Hi, I don't think we've met.
I'm Leo. Nice to meet you. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Why are you here today? Why are you here today?
I work near here, at the print shop. I work near here, at the print shop.
Sorry, what is your name? Sorry, what is your name? You look well. You look well. Are you busy these days?
Yes, this week was hard. Yes, this week was hard.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to rest at home. I like to rest at home.
The weather is very bad today. The weather is very bad today.
I know, it's really cold today. I know, it's really cold today.
Sorry to bother you. Do you know this place well? Sorry to bother you. Do you know this place well?
Yes, I live near here. What do you need? Yes, I live near here. What do you need?
I am trying to find this address. I am trying to find this address.
It is not far. Can you walk? It is not far. Can you walk?
Yes, can you show me the way? Yes, can you show me the way?
I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this.
Excuse me. Do you have more of these? Excuse me. Do you have more of these?
Yes, this is the last one. Do you want to try it? Yes, this is the last one. Do you want to try it?
Can I try this on first? Can I try this on first?
Of course. Do you need a smaller size? Of course. Do you need a smaller size?
I always buy new brushes here for my watercolors. Always buy new brushes here for my watercolors.
Okay, I will buy it. Here you go. Okay, I will buy it. Here you go.
Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute?
Yes, what is it? Yes, what is it?
Does this look right to you? Does this look right to you?
The machine is broken again. I cannot check right now. The machine is broken again. I cannot check right now.
That is okay. Let's finish this tomorrow. That is okay. Let's finish this tomorrow.
Sorry for the wait. I'm here now. Sorry for the wait. I'm here now. Can you talk now, or is this a bad time? Can you talk now, or is this a bad time?
No, it is fine. What is it? No, it is fine. What is it?
You will not believe what happened. You will not believe what happened.
What? Tell me. What? Tell me.
Ginger broke a cup again.
Ginger broke a cup again.
I needed to hear that today. I needed to hear that today.
Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day?
Yes, I painted on the terrace again this morning. Yes, I painted on the terrace again this morning.
That sounds nice. Dinner is almost ready. 5 more minutes. That sounds nice. Dinner is almost ready. 5 more minutes.
Okay, should I do the dishes after? Okay, should I do the dishes after?
Leave the dishes. I will do them later. Leave the dishes. I will do them later.
Come sit with me for a little while. Come sit with me for a little while.
Hi, sorry, can you hear me? Hi, sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, I can hear you now.
I am calling to say hello. I am calling to say hello.
That's nice. I will be there in 5 minutes. That's nice. I will be there in 5 minutes.
Okay, I will be a little late too. Okay, I will be a little late too.
No problem. We will talk again soon. No problem. We will talk again soon.
That is all for today, I think. That is all for today, I think.
Yes, it was a good day. Yes, it was a good day.
Ginger is sleeping already. Ginger is sleeping already.
She never even opens her eyes. She never even opens her eyes.
I am ready for bed now. I am ready for bed now.
See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning.
So, did you say the sentences with us?
That is how you learn them fastest.
Thank you for listening to Easy Chill English.
Please like this episode and pass it to someone learning English.
Tell us, which sentence will you use first?
Write it below. We read every comment.
And remember, small sentences, every day.
Your brain is listening,
Your brain is learning.
even right now.